Nearly 4,231 blood banks of India presently collect about 11 million units of blood annually against an estimated annual requirement of 14,600,000 units, out of which the voluntary collection is not more than 70%. This figure includes relative donations as voluntary donation. If these are segregated, the real voluntary collection from blood donation camp may not be even more than 50%, which speaks of the basic area where improvement is yet very much needed. India is far behind the target of achieving total voluntary blood program as announced by the World Health Organization. Recruitment of genuine voluntary blood donors, which is an art based on science, is therefore a demanding task. Various states and union territories are using various techniques to recruit donors as well as follow various standards of donor recruitment and have attained different levels of achievement. There is need to rationalize all these techniques and standards by exchanging ideas, sharing knowledge amongst the donor recruiting organizations, health authorities, blood bankers and technical experts in the field to develop strategies to make India self-sufficient with and self-dependent on total voluntary non-remunerated altruistic blood donors to ensure safe blood transfusion. Federation of Voluntary Blood Donors Organizations West Bengal will therefore organize a national summit of motivators on safe blood transfusion with international participation on January 23, 24 and 25, 2025 at Digha, Purba Medinipur, West Bengal for the furtherance of the blood donation movement and improvement in the blood transfusion service through sharing pooled knowledge of experts in the field from various states. Digha is a seaside resort town of West Bengal and is a beautiful place of attraction to the tourists. This national summit is also dedicated to the memory of Sri Debabrata Ray and Sri Arunabha Chattopadhyay, the two legendary stalwarts of blood donation movement in India. Participants: nearly 150 invited participants, mainly from home and a few from abroad. The invitees will be from representatives of organizations engaged in the field of blood donor recruitment, eminent blood bankers, social workers and motivators in the field and government authorities. Program outline: formal sessions, inaugural session, keynote address, valedictory session. Recruitment and retention of safe donor. Devising strategies for putting impetus on blood donation movement in the country in the present scenario to achieve total voluntary blood program. Recruitment of donors of today and of tomorrow. Role of all stakeholders in the blood transfusion service. Digital technique in blood donor motivation and recruitment. Technology versus motivation. Art of organizing blood donation camps. Modern technology. Latest developments in transfusion technology. Technology of fluorescence, virus and bacteria inactivation of blood products. Use of information technology and electronic documentation. Cord blood transfusion. Public stem cell bank. Transfusion-related therapies, whole blood transfusion versus component therapy. Use of artificial intelligence in blood banking and blood transfusion service. To know more things you can visit description also. Thank you for watching.